Here we are, guys, with the first of our new Iveco Daily vehicles, and we're about to crown it with our Expedition rack here. So this is a fully alloy rack. It's got an integrated ladder up the side there and integrated windscreen bars to protect that. So the crew's just about to lower it down here onto the rig. Obviously being very careful of the cab. And this new Iveco Daily features the same box that we put on the Adventurer. So obviously that box is now available on a Daily or the Isuzu N series. So in our new floor plan. Just lowering that down into place now and give the boys a hand here. Just get it to sit on the roof there and line these brackets up. Yep. And we're down. Yeah, so that's it. Pretty easy process. Looks amazing up there, so we've got some spots for spotties and spare tyre and all that sort of stuff there. So yeah, we'll follow up a bit more action on the new Daily very soon, guys. Thank you.